my name is Andrea, and this is my brother Ben, and together we are McCown Contracting. Okay, so one of the hot topics that I get questions on all the time are spill kits. Okay, two main questions. So the first question I get asked is, what do I need to have in my spill kit? And the second question I get asked all the time is, where does my spill kit need to be located? So I can answer both of those questions for you today. Also, we're gonna play a fun game of unboxing these spill kit drums from Environmental Impact Solutions. I am very excited and happy that they brought these here for us. They put together these great quality products, these great spill kits. They do all the work for you. What? So easy. We're gonna unbox it. Ben is gonna get to guess what each item is for and whether or not he got the correct price point correct. Okay, so we're gonna get to that. First of all, let me answer two questions, okay? The first question, what needs to be in your spill kit? Here's the deal, you need to have enough materials in your spill kit so that you can control and clean up a simple spill, but also that you could control a larger spill until you call a remediation expert like Environmental Impact Solutions to come out there and clean it up for you, okay? To answer the second question, where does your spill kit need to be located? Well, that kind of depends on what your SPCC plan says. Right. Every spill plan kind of says something differently, all right? We all know that if you just leave them out at your tank battery, you're probably going to walk off and go away. So I know in a lot of SPCC plans, including ours, they need to be readily available, right? How can we get to them in a quick amount of time to handle and clean up what has happened at the site? So, okay, well, let's get into this. Let's unbox these two things. And let's get going. So we have a 55-gallon drum here. There's kind of like two price points here you can get from Environmental Impact Solutions. They got one drum, they can just get you a 55-gallon drum that has some stuff in it, or you can get both drums, which I actually highly recommend, and the other drum has more stuff in it, which is actually a better deal. So let's start with this one first. Right, go, Ben, unbox it. All right, what do we got going on? Okay, so Ben, here are the price points, okay? There are 9 price points. They're right up here at the top, okay? You need to see if you can't match the price points with what you pull out of here. Okay. And then you gotta tell me what you think it does.
Absolutely. I'm
ready.
ready.
Here are the price points, Ben. Here we go.
Okay.
$100, $60, $2.50. Okay. $40, $20, $3. Another $3.
Okay. That makes it easier.
Another $20.
Okay.
And then $75.
All right.
So nine items you got to pull out and guess. All right, and then we'll give you the results at the end. And you know what? Then if you don't guess them all correctly, you're gonna have to mow my grass.
Mow your grass?
Yes.
It's December.
I
grass is
love beautifully nice mowed grass, Ben.
Okay, fine, it shouldn't take that long.
Okay, great. Let's get to it.
All right, now disclaimer. I don't know much about remediation, okay? I know a lot about the spill plant industry, but not remediation. So this should be entertaining, exactly what I can figure out what all this stuff is used for. So let's dive in.
Let's do it. Okay.
All right, so we got definitely some absorbent pads. Some diapers for your spills. You know.
All right. What do you think, Ben? How much?
Oh man, this looks like, gosh, quite a few of them too. Out of the price points, I would say probably, let's go with $60.
Okay.
$60
for the absorbent pads. Okay.
Alright, so how did I do on that one? Did I get it right?
You did. They're absorbent pads, you're right, but they are for hydrocarbons only.
Okay. So, okay, so they're not diapers per se.
Not really, no.
Okay, but close.
Yes, they'll clean up a spill, I guess. Alright, so let's keep going. Wow.
This is the most interesting poster I've ever seen.
We have a couple of
I would imagine this is what you put down in your vehicle after cleaning up a spill so you don't track in the mud and everything. You know, like what they do when you get an oil change?
Dance before. Did you eat a lot of paint chips when you were a kid? Why?
So, okay, yeah, there. So how much money do you think?
You know what? I would say,
price point?
I'm gonna probably go with the $40.
$40? Okay, all right, $40 one.
Well, no, they give these out for free at the oil change. I would say $20. $20.
Okay, that's his final answer.
All right, so how close was I with that?
Yeah, you were like not close. So those are trash bags.
Okay.
Really?
Fine. Maybe I just
Yeah.
thought a little bit too hard on that
That
one.
was,
Okay.
you're working just a little hard there. Okay.
$20 trash bags. Oh my goodness.
$20
Okay.
trash bags, apparently.
All right. Okay. Next thing.
Okay. Man, my grass is gonna look awesome.
Oh goodness. Oh my. We got a anaconda. This thing alive? Okay, so clearly this is something that looks like it would float on water.
Okay.
Okay, so I take it's probably one of those booms I see like people go out. So you know if you got a spill in your creek or anything like that, it'll stop the oil from flowing to the next tributary.
Nice. Okay. Price point though. What do you
Oh
think?
gosh, I would imagine.
High quality fabric here.
I would say this is probably $100.
Okay.
I would go with $100.
All right, good guess. Well, hey Ben, you actually were pretty correct there.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you're gonna put those down to stop any kind of spill from continuing down into the navigable waters that you were trying to keep it out of.
Perfect.
So good job. And then we got and then
Yeah, that's
that's
how you
it.
do
That's
this
it.
one, okay? Let's move on to the next
Let's move
one.
on to the next one. Okay, so you can get this drum just the way that is with that stuff in there, or you can buy 2 of them. Okay, and then you get more stuff in this drum. So here we go. All right, Ben, let's go. Let's do it.
Oh, here we go. We got 2 sets of gloves. Why do I feel like if we got called out to this would be unnecessary? You wouldn't be out there helping
I
me at all.
absolutely would not.
Okay.
This is dry clean only.
But 2 sets of gloves. I'm gonna go with probably the $2.50.
Okay.
You know, that sounds about
All
right.
right, $2.50.
You know.
Okay, you're right. They're so you don't get oil on you. So good job.
Okay, that's it. They're not like specialty gloves of any kind or anything. Okay.
They look like regular.
All right, what do we got here? All right, we got safety glasses. I think we all know. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you know.
Safety is important.
Okay, Mr. Taylor. Anytime you're ready.
Absolutely, but only 1 pair, so never mind.
Oh,
There's 2.
we got 2 of
There's 2.
them. Okay.
So this is clearly
We
a
get
team
2.
project.
Yes.
You don't want to go out cleaning up spills by yourself.
You need to.
2 pairs of these, I would imagine this is $3.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
All right. Oh,
Yeah.
ponchos.
Yeah.
Ponchos. I almost guessed trash bags again. And they're pre-coated,
Oh.
so therefore you don't have to coat your own.
Coat?
They come pre-coated. Usually I coat my
Do you-
ponchos before the big game when it rains, but this one's pre-coated. So
Ready to go.
I'm thinking that this would have to be definitely another $20 item.
Okay.
$20. Yeah,
for
the other
ponchos.
$20 item.
Okay. Well, Ben, yeah, pretty close. Instead of rain, we don't want to get oil or sludge
Okay,
or
right,
anything
right.
on our dry clean only outfits. So that's what that is for.
Okay.
Here we go.
What
is that, Ben?
Whoa! Someone finally got me a shovel that's my size.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
It's-
You know, I've been looking everywhere for something just this
Really?
size. Oh man, but
Okay.
I would imagine this is to definitely either build sandcastles, but you know we are on site trying to clean up a spill, so I'm sure it's something to try to create a diversion for the spill, not to go somewhere you don't want it to go,
Okay.
or to just throw it in the trash bags that are probably $20. So this is pretty hefty.
You get 2 of them.
Oh my
See,
goodness,
you got 2
2.
of them. 'Cause it's
Right,
a
because
team
it's a team
project.
project. Okay.
You gotta clean them up together.
2 of the that's $75.
$75 for the shovels.
Have you
all right.
been to Home
Okay.
Depot?
It's a good time to be a doer.
True. Okay, well, the shovels are for cleaning up the spill and that soil, right? Because you are going to dig up the soil and you're going to put them in the drums, and then you're going to get probably more tilling and more work done and even soil samples if you have to. So that's what that's for. Okay, all right, we got another one. Here we go.
Jinmin. Christmas.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. It is a
It is a spag.
spag.
Can we say that?
I
Spag?
say it.
Spag Zorb.
It's okay.
I don't even want to really guess what that might do. No, I'm just-
It is safe, certified, and non-toxic.
Oh, fantastic.
And it kind of says what it's for. For
So
oil spills on land or
All right,
water.
so we got spag.
For oil spills on land or water.
Yes. Okay, fantastic.
So what do you think we do with it, Ben?
I'd say you probably go ahead and lay this out on the oil spill, and
Okay.
then we'll spag it.
Okay, price
So
point.
you can then bag it
Yeah! Spag
with the shovels
back and back.
But
And remember,
you got 3 of these monsters
well,
in here.
you know, somebody gets to do it twice.
Okay.
Okay.
So my only other price point I think I have on here is $3.
$3.
That's the only thing I think I have left is $3. So
Overdid
I
it.
think I might have shot myself in the foot
You
there.
did. Oh, you have a $2.50 one. Have you used that one yet?
Yeah, I did use
Oh,
that
did
on
you?
the glasses.
Okay. All right.
So
Okay.
all right, so I think I might have to mow some grass.
Oh wait, we have one more item.
That's right. We have a mystery item. What is the mystery item? I don't see. I took everything out.
You did take everything out, but guess what? These bad boys.
Oh my goodness, you're
So
right.
where do they put the oil? Right? You scooping it up with as a team with the shovel, and then you put it in the drum, and that's what you get here. Is you get to get all the stuff out, handle your spill, and you get to put the contaminated soil and the oil and stuff in the drum that you can properly dispose of. So, okay, how much for the drum?
think-
What do you have left?
Actually, no. Now that I think of it, we have another $20 item.
Okay.
I'm thinking these are probably a little more than $20, but that would be my guess then.
Okay, let's see.
So I went really wrong somewhere.
You did. Let's see how close Ben got. Okay, so the booms. You said $100.
Yeah.
And you were correct.
I was?
Ding,
Oh,
ding,
let's
ding,
go.
ding. All right. For the pads, you said $60.
Oh,
You were right.
really?
Ding, ding, ding,
I was
ding,
really,
ding.
I was trying to
Okay.
second guess the whole bad thing.
The poster stuff you thought was not it was really a trash bag. You
Yeah.
said $20.
Yeah.
Ben, no. The trash bags are only $2.50.
Well, they were trash bags, I guess. Well,
You
you know.
did not get that one right. Okay, the
I was
Spag sword right here.
Yes.
You said it was $3. You
My
were
last
on
option, I thought.
$40 a bag. Hey,
$40
that's
a
really
bag.
good.
Oh yeah, that's
That's
not
really
bad
good
at all.
price.
And you got
Okay.
2 of them.
And you got so it's that's good. Okay, the shovels you said $75 due to inflation at the Home Depot. You were wrong. Those are $20.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So you could have had shovels earlier in your
What a
life.
deal.
Okay. Gloves. You said $2.50. Those were $3.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was
Okay.
close.
Glasses. You said $3 and you were right.
Okay.
We're gonna give you that one.
Fantastic.
$3. Okay. The suits, the yellow fun suits, you said were $20. Ben, you were right.
Yes.
$20 for the suits. Okay, and the drums. You said the drums were $20. That is ridiculous. The drums are $75.
Oh, okay.
Man.
Okay.
You know what I just heard? You're gonna mow my grass. Okay, so I do want to thank Environmental Impact Solutions and Matt for bringing us these 55-gallon drums here so we could show you guys what needs to go in a spill kit and what you guys can have. Please give them a call, get an estimate, figure out your price point there, and have them help you guys out with these. Ben!
I'll go ahead and
We're gonna get them on a mower. Thanks guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way any of these videos that we post will just pop up on your phone and you can watch them. Thanks guys so much.
See ya.